students. Today I am going to deal with the student of semester 6 with the topic of methanogenic bacteria and biogas production. So we have to know about the what is methanogenic bacteria. First of all, methanogenic bacteria is a type of bacteria or strain of bacteria which produce methane via fermentation or via fermentation in anaerobic condition as a byproduct. So how do we use methanogenic bacteria for the production of biogas? We have to biogas, mainly biogas is a very important fuel which is used in rural areas, maximum in rural areas, and a little bit about urban areas also. So the biogas production, how we produce biogas in plant condition. Mainly the biogas plant is 5-chambered plant, 5-chambered plant which have first chamber of mixing chamber, second chamber is inlet chamber, third chamber is digester, fourth chamber is outlet chamber, and fifth chamber is overflow chamber. How these chamber is play a key role in the production of biogas. Mainly the biogas is a mixture of methane, carbon dioxide, and many other gas which is used as a fuel which is highly inflammable in condition. Mainly bacteria, methanogenic bacteria which produce methane as a byproduct and CO2 byproduct and CO2 as it in anaerobic condition, that is called methanogenic bacteria. Then how we produce biogas? So biogas plant is mainly made up of bricks and cement plant. In the first chamber, let me draw the diagram. In the first chamber, we used to done mixing mix biogas mixing. Mainly the material used in the production of biogas is that is organic material. What is that? Which may be mainly cow dung, sewage, plant dead plants, and many other things that is used in the production of biogas. Mainly the cow dung is used in the production of biogas. All these sewage and biogas is mixing in the first chamber in the biogas plant, that is mixing chamber. In this chamber, the mixture, that is cow dung, sewage, and plant extracts, all these are mixing in proper in mainly half quantity. Means the materials, that is cow dung plus water is mixing plus water in half condition, that is mixed in the mixing chamber, that is the first chamber, that make it slurry, and then it goes to the second chamber which is dome like chamber, that is called inlet chamber. In this chamber, all these slurries goes down and here the fermentation process is occur. How fermentation process is occur? Mainly the cow dung is used in the production of biogas. Cow dung mainly all these ruminant animal, all we have know that cow, ruminant animal which have four chamber digestive system, which contain methanogenic bacteria for the digestion of their food. Methanogenic bacteria already present in their intestine, which is also present in the cow dung, also in the sewage. So in the second chamber we have to, the slurry is come out in half filled dome. Then we have to leave it for 2 months, because all anaerobic bacteria, uh, uh, grow. For the biogas production, anaerobic bacteria, that is methanogenic bacteria, is required. It ferment without oxygen. It can ferment. So methanogenic bacteria, that is inorganic, and that is methanogenic bacteria grows in second chamber. For after 2 months after fermentation, the production of gas, that is the mixture of methane, mainly methane and CO2, and many other gas, are increased in the half left chamber, half empty chamber in the second chamber, that is also called as the digester. Here the sewage product or cow dung is digested, and anaerobic bacteria are grown, and fermentation process is occur. Then maximum amount of gases are produced in a empty dome. Then the outlet of dome, second chamber, the gas is collected. And which is collected, and which is used as a fuel. But all the slurries which have already produced the biogas, all due to the increase in the gas production, gas level in the dome area, empty dome area, the slurry concentration is coming down, and it come into the outlet chamber. Because the concentration of gas increase, the slurry is decreased. So slurry is come in the outlet area, and when the outlet area is filled, then it manually collected via outflow chamber, manually collected in the outflow chamber, and which is used as a manure for the agriculture condition. So mainly the methanogenic bacteria is present in the slurry, that is cow dung, sewage and dead plants, which produce anaerobic bacteria and methanogenic bacteria, which ferment the slurry in the absence of oxygen, and produce as a byproduct of methane, CO2 and many other gases, which is used as a household in the rural areas, or for the rural areas, for the household condition. That is called mainly the biogas. Thank you.